Roscoe.
There he is.
Boss Roscoe, you've been mentioned.
Actually, thank you, Gretchen, for that. Team Wiltec actually started in Mindanao during the Team Wiltec. Nagsimula to actually, tinawag kami sa stage. And we didn't have any name or what. But welcome kami sa General Santos City as Team Wiltec. Doon po nagsimula yun. Actually, Team Wiltec, it was in a concept that Team Wiltec is actually for our customers. It's regarding our customers, our people, our employees, our branch managers, top executives, our friends, boss natin, mga kapatid namin, kapatid ko pala, sorry. So, yun talaga yung concept of Team Wiltec. It's not just the people up here, but technically, it's all of us, the customer, and also promoting the lifestyle that we're selling. Yung pagbumotor ka ng buong Pilipinas, yung pag-ride ng jet ski, pagpunta sa racetrack na gamit ng mga kotse namin. So technically, that's Team Wiltec.
Kakarera ba kayo? Kakarera ba as a team?
Para eh.
I'm retired.
Well, now this question is directed to Gab. Gaano pa kasaya ang Team Wiltec?
Ano mo, mahirap i-explain, to be honest. Kasi syempre, habang nag-ride kami, meron kaming comms. So nakakapag-usap kami. It's not just for fun, it's also for safety. Pero yung kwentuhan mo ng 20 hours, can you imagine kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi dun sa comms namin? Like, it's just so fun. We're talking about our personal life, kung ano man kung nangyayari sa buhay namin. But more so than that, it feels like you're at home with each other. Sobrang nakakatuwa when you're riding. Actually, pre-ride, during the ride, post-ride, yung mga lunch, yung mga breakfast, yung mga dinner, yung mga sites na nakikita namin, the destination. It's very hard to explain kung gaano kasaya. Tapos yung, alam mo yung feeling na may sipangs ka after the ride kasi magkasama kayo, tapos ilang days din yun, naging magkasama 24 hours a day. But it is definitely, it's not just fun. It's something that I really look forward to. Out of all the things na ginagawa ko, from sports, from my hobbies and everything, motorcycle riding, especially with Team Wiltec, is something that I genuinely look forward to.
Ang hirap pa rin maghiwalay kapag magkakasama kayo for many days, di ba? Thank you so much for sharing that, Gab.
Parang sa F1, di ba? Nagkukwentuhan sa polls. Minsan may ano pa. Bleep.
Oh, yeah.
Punta naman natin si Jack.
Jack?
Si Jack. Okay, from rides to drives. Anong pinaka-
Gusto lahat kasi epic ride eh, no? May mga times na nagmotor pa kami na talagang bumabagyo. So hindi pa kami sumasali sa challenge. May mga na-ride na kami na bumabagyo dito, tapos titigil yung bagyo sa Bicol. So talagang epic ride. So every time na nag-ride kami, lagi ang caption namin, guys, another one for the books.
Di ba delikado?
Well, ngayon, sa sobrang loaded na ng mga bikes, sobrang spoiled na talaga yung rider. Yung mga features ng bike, talagang yung traction, yun yung pinakamahal na mahal namin sa motor, lalo na pag-uulan. So, mas safe naman eh, of course, with the proper riding din naman yung skills namin na natutunan din. Gusto ko na rin i-take itong opportunity na to thank Roscoe na simula from beginning na hindi ako nagmumotor. Natuto ko to Vulcanes, natuto ko to ZX6R. Tapos pinaising niya ako na matuto ng pagmumotor kasi sinayad niya ako sa California Superbike School. And from there, unti-unti ko na-hold yung skills ko sa pagmumotor. Ayun na nga, bumanat na kami ng manalayo. Ha? Hindi. So, nakakatawa kasi kino-compliment din nila ako na may nag-improve na daw ako sa skills ko, nakakasunod na ako sa... Medyo mahaba na yung pahinga ko kasama kayo pagka rinintay natin yung manaliking. So, ngayon, thank you so much for the experience. Ibang experience yung pagtanggal ng stress, guys. Kapag nagmumotor ka, hawak mo lahat, yung gear, and etc. sa motor. So, sobrang nakakatulong sa mentally, physically, and of course with the people you love, your friends, your family, na rin ko ito na namin. Sobrang hindi na namin kaya hindi magmotor sa buong taon or bawat isang buwan na hindi kami makapagmotor. Talagang kailangan na. Love you.
Mukhang maraming fans ito si Jack, ano? Made a lot of friends in this.
Ayun po yung mga kasama namin kung motor, mga Team Wiltec din po. Si Jody, si Richie, si Kuya Randy, Chong yan.
Ito naman si General. Harold.
And then Wiltec, ano ba yung pinaka-importante para sa'yo whenever there is a compromise?
So, unang-una mapatigil na yung mga boss natin na happy 58 dahil
Mamaya. Pag-alis ko. After na event.
Buhay ng mga nagmumotorsik sa industry. So, ayun, yung pinakamahalaga is preparedness.
Sa stage lang.
Mental
Nature
physical.
na
Kasi pagdating sa mga long rides kasi
After ng
minsan
event.
at madalas unexpected yung mga daan. So, kailangan aware ka sa daan. Kailangan alam mo yung precautionary measures para
Motor. Dubai. Ilang hours? Ilang araw pa lang?
2 days from
2 days.
Cebu to Bacolod to Iloilo and Mindoro to Batangas.
Ikaw pala ay ambassador ng Philippine Motorcycle Tourism. Saan naman ang next destination mo at anong gusto mo ipagmalaki?
Next destination.
Kasi babae siya, hindi ka ba na-intimidate? Pag may sadaan ka, kasama ng mga lalaki, how does it feel to be a woman on a motorcycle?
Hindi po.
Mga lalaki ang na-intimidate, bakit naninindak pa doon? Sobrang galing. Talaga? Ilang years ka na ba
I started riding.
Paolo, asan ang gustong makasama si Paolo mamaya?
Talaga baka isang daang motorista sama sa ride na to.
Alright, Pao, ano ang ilo-look forward mo na bilang pinakabagong member ng Team Wiltec?
Like I mentioned earlier, excited ako sa rides dahil nakikita ko nga yung mga post na pag nag-Philippine Loop sila. Pero syempre, bala ko rin siyang matapos someday. Hopefully this year, gamit yung mga bikes syempre ng Wiltec. And of course, aside from that, also to promote not just the brands, but also to promote motorcycle safety to our riders nationwide. Siyempre, pag nakikita ng mga riders natin sa iba't ibang bahagi ng lugar na geared up tayo properly para sa kalsada, siyempre, sana maging ehemplo tayo sa kanila.
Diba? Doon pa lang, guaranteed na, sa isang Paolo Avellino, safe ka.
Wow! Masarap ang ganda rin.
Diba?
Talagang pwede tayo bumunang camping.
Totoo! Kasama lang sa Team Wiltec.
Pero ngayon, gusto ko maanyayahan ng lahat. Can we do a selfie, a Wiltec selfie? Bilang bibihira ng din yung pagkakataon na magkakasama ang Team Wiltec.
That's correct. Wiltec wants to cultivate that riding and driving community. Such a community can be exemplified by the members of the Team Wiltec who are joining us right now. And you can be part too. Anyone who purchased from Wiltec, you are instantly part of our family and can experience many riding adventures, events, and perks only for Team Wiltec.
So you don't just buy a motorcycle, but you also get an opportunity to ride with this team. Team Wiltec, that's another selfie right there. Palakpakan natin muli, Team Wiltec. Maraming salamat. We're proud to have you here in this family, and I'm sure the Udogi family is also very happy to have that. Alright, maraming salamat. Okay, 50 years, a journey that started with a vision, grew with dedication, and thrived through the hard work and passion of every single member of the family. Today, we come together of excellence, innovation, and making a difference.
Tama yan, tama yan. Ay, gusto ko lang tanongin, Gretchen. Ayun, no?
I hear women.
Sino nga?
I hear women shouting.
Isigaw mo!
Ako parang nakaka-excite to see more women out on the road. Their safety assured by me. Sa Team Wiltec!
Nagiging niya gusto ko makas!
Parang maraming Kim Pao ah. Kayo ba si Kim?
Aangkas ba kayo kay Dominic? Kay Paolo?
Kay kay General. Alright, muli palakpakan natin sila, ang ating Team Wiltec.
Of course, as we look back on the years that have shaped us, we are honored to share this moment with those who've been part of